Hi, hello, hi friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm going to share a few things from past videos, either that I picked up or that I like. And one of them is an eyeshadow palette that I picked up. And I have some tips about how to if you're picking up no-name brands or brands you're not sure of, some things to look for to know if it's maybe a good product or not. So that's coming up, and let's just get to it. All right, friends. Okay, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, support my channel, do all those fun things that that help me out, and I enjoy doing what I'm doing. And let's get going with the video. Okay, I want to mention a couple things. I'm wearing this green clover necklace that I got. I think I just shared this in a recent Temu haul. Then I have these earrings. I also shared, it was in a different Temu haul, I believe, but a few videos back. So I love these earrings. I've been wearing them, and they're just light and comfortable, and they're real cute. They match with anything. It's like a glass with some little sparkles in it, and then a gold outing. Anyway, so you can pick those up at Temu, this up at Temu, always under a couple bucks, and I have been pleased with the jewelry I've gotten from there. So anyway, that's that. But the main thing for this video today, as you can see, I'm half made up. I do have my face makeup on, and I am going to share an eyeshadow palette that I had purchased. This Macaron Magic. It's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. I don't know, I kind of want to cover the, whoops. So look at all those colors. Amazing colors. So very bright, like a macaron. This palette I think I picked up for like I think it was only $4.99, which I don't know why it just struck me. I just thought it was a cute palette, and I normally, like, sometimes you're hit or miss with makeup brands like I haven't heard of, but this one can be found online. So I am going to put a link in the description box of where you can pick it up. And one thing I really liked about it, it says 32 shade pressed pigment palette. Now that's one of the first steps. If you're picking up a palette, if it mentions the word pigment in it, then usually it's going to be a pretty good palette with high pigment. Now, I tried this for the first time yesterday. Love the look. I did green. That's why I'm wearing green. I did green yesterday. I have not perfected a green look that I've liked yet. And just like the pink, you kind of gotta mess around with it a little bit, play with it. I love the pink now and feel like I can do it. So I'm kind of working towards the same thing in green. There was a lot of green shades in here that I really like. So messed with some of these in here, even down here. So I did several different greens and came up with a look that I liked. In fact, my husband came home and he goes, "You look so pretty." So anyway, I thought that was nice. He noticed there was something different about my makeup, and I put a little bit of glitter in it too. So we'll do it today, and I'll show you what I came up with. I didn't put an eye primer on. I am gonna do this. This is the Beauty Crop Stuck on You. Just a little pot. It's kind of like, if you've heard of the MAC Painterly, it's a little bit like that. That's why I like it so much. I used to always get the MAC. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow primers. It does lighten up your eyes a bit. It gives you a little bit of a lighter color, but you put it on, let it sit for a minute, and it sets a great base for your eyeshadow. I I'm gonna take my crease brush and I'm first gonna go into this color right here. It's not the darkest color I have. It's this is kind of like a Tiffany blue color, Tiffany green blue teal. Now I'm going to go in with the little bit darker color right here, and I'm going to go just more on the outer edges and the crease itself. These are highly pigmented. I love the way they go on. Now some people are afraid. You're afraid of color. Like, look at that. It looks kind of funny, but you're going to blend. Just blend, blend, blend. You can always fix a mistake because you blend. Get a good brush, you know, a fluffier brush that is good for blending. And now I'm going to go in with the darker color. So my third darkest, or worked my way up to this one right here. And this one is going to go on the outer edge of the eye. Create kind of a darker look. This isn't that much darker. I'm going to come up here with a lighter color in here, and I'm going to kind of just top the top so it kind of blends it together. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the darker colors, the darkest color, the darkest two colors, and I'm going to go under the eye right here. And I bring this up to the edge kind of, where it's a little bit darker. This is not the darkest look on the edge like I normally do, but it's okay. I'm using several different colors, so it's just kind of like it's like a painting. When you blend all these colors in, it turns out to looking something good. So there is that. Now I am going to, let's see which brush. I'm going to come over here, and it's kind of this is kind of a lighter, like more like a apple green. But it's got a nice pigment and shimmer to it. And I'm just going to go like this and go on my eyelid. See how it just kind of brings it together? I'm going to come over with this. There's a lighter color here. I'm going to kind of go. Not sure I wanted to do that, but I did it. I think I need like a white color. So I'm going to come into this Troublemaker palette. I just created a look with this palette recently. So this is from ColourPop. And I'm going to take the white in here. It's just a white. This is also a pretty pigmented palette. I'm going to go in the corners of my eyes with that. And I think I'm going to take that, color and just kind of go up here. All this white. Don't be afraid. Just do it and play with it. And then blend, blend, blend. Okay, now I'm going to do, so up in the top here was the glitter color I used right here. And I'm going to take that, it's kind of a silver greeny iridescent, and I'm going to go right just in the center of my eyeball right there. And because it's glitter the way it is, it's going to kind of fall all over the place everywhere. That was the thing my husband noticed. So that's the look. Okay, so I am going to do my eyebrows and my mascara and liner. I'm going to do that off screen, and I'll come back with the final look. Okay, I didn't finish my mascara because I kind of want to show you what I'm going to put on first. I have used things from past videos for this makeup look. The ColourPop video I just recently, well, it's not out yet, but it will be out. There's a face palette. I got a bronzer, blush, and highlighter sticks. I used those today along with my Delaware foundation and my Red Aspen setting powder, translucent face powder. I also use this Cover FX highlighter. Love this right here. So I use that too. What else did I use that I just might want to share? You saw the eyeshadow palette. I used the Better Than SEX. This is a felt tip eyeliner, and that's something I just used. Didn't do the best job, but and I'm noticing that glitter is kind of getting all over my face, but oh well, I'll just have a glittery look. And then the reason why I wanted to show you the mascara is because this is from Huda Beauty, and it's legit lashes, and this just came in a boxycharm. I know a lot of people got it in the boxycharm, and it has a curl and length and then a volume. So I'm going to go in with the curl and length first. Whoops. Kind of like that brush. I'm not a big fan of curling brushes, but we'll try it. So okay, well, all right, friends, this is the final look. This is the eyeshadow look, my green look, and I'm liking it. So I'm excited to try some of the other colors in this eyeshadow palette. There's some really fun things in here. Obviously, I can do a good pink look. There's just lots of fun looks. This golden color over here looks kind of fun. It's a glitter, kind of like the other glitter. Look at that. You can see it good. Anyway, very happy. Check out below if you're interested in this. Like I said, I picked it up for like $4.99 at TJ Maxx. But I think it was available for like $12. I saw it on several sites. Like I saw it on Etsy and eBay too, but there is a site that sells this specific palette. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. And that is it for today. I hope you liked this video, and let me know what you think of the green look. I do have green eyes, so it kind of helps bring out my eyes, I think, a little bit. Anyway, this was fun. Thank you for being here. I'd love if you subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, do all those fun things, and we will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.